Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to mark an image into a shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu, go to the drawing option and click new. Now you can see here are image option. Now go to the image option. You can insert Google Drive, Google Image. Now I am insert my browser. Now click the browser. Now I am select a image and our image is inserting. Then firstly select the image and you can see here are marks image drop down menu. Now click this and you can choose shape, arrows, anything. Now I'm go to the shape and select this. Then click save and close. Then go to the image option and go to the text wrapping and you can see here are in font of text. Now click in font of text. Then you can select this image and now image then you can see marks an image into a shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.